balance point. For most people, it's their favorite leg is their back leg, but I'm not most people. So my favorite leg is my front leg. So this is how you do it. First, you balance your front leg a little higher than the other leg, which is a little bit. See? It's as simple as that. Now I'm going to teach you how to skate. And first, you have to get comfortable with your balance point. So this is what it's for. Get in your balance point and just pull yourself along with someone helping you or something. It's as easy as that. Once you've mastered that technique, you can start doing it on your own. So put both of your legs together and take your back leg and put it in front of you and push and put all your weight on it. Then quickly switch and put your front leg in front of you and just zoom. Mistake, but who cares? Anyway, that's how you do the wheelie. Special thanks to Avinash Mama, the person who bought me these wonderful wheelies for my birthday present. Bye!